This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to save money on online products. Now, we all buy things online, whether they're digital products or physical things on Amazon, etc., other e-commerce places. Now, you might have seen in some of my videos, I'm just on the Get Response page here. So it's a random pricing page of an online product. It's actually an email marketing product. You might have seen in some of my videos, I have this little kind of C coming in at the side here. So if we click that, what that is actually showing us is that there's an available coupon for this particular product right here. Now, this thing is called Coupert. I'll show you the site in just a moment. I do have an affiliate link for Coupert in the video description. So if you click that link there, you will be able to sign up and get some benefits. But what this is actually going to do is it gives us these little coupon codes, like this one is GRSave10. So we can literally just copy that and then add that into the checkout when we check out. And you see that it's done this for a whole bunch of different things, including Amazon products that I've bought or looked at recently. It will do it on all kinds of sites, like you can see Cloudways here. And it's often giving you sort of coupons or little codes that you weren't even aware of. And all of these are legit as well. I've not found one that isn't legit. This isn't some like scammy, spammy type thing. Like obviously you do get some of these sites where you search for a certain, I might search for Get Response coupons or something, and it brings up a load of spammy, sort of scammy sites that don't go anywhere, and they have all like fake codes and stuff. This is all legit. The ones I found are really pretty cool. So what you can do is, say you're on, let's go to another site. So here's Kajabi, another online product that you might be interested in. I haven't got the little banner there, but interestingly, when I come up to the top, there is a Google Chrome plugin, as you can see here, an extension. When I click there, there is actually 12 available coupons. So there's this discount code here. Again, I can click that and I can use that at the checkout. So pretty cool. That is Coupert. I'll show you what it looks like on the front end. So this is at coupert.com. Just to show you, again, you can click my link and you can get that benefit. You'll get some kind of bonus from signing up, depending on what they're running, what kind of promotion they're running at at the time when you actually click that link in the video. But you can see here they work on everything from sort of NordVPN, Walmart, eBay, AliExpress. You got like Walgreens, loads of big American stores, as well as like Temu and stuff. Tons of different places. You look around the site, they've got offers here. You can actually find stuff that is currently on offer, or you could just use this just to find out that it is pretty useful and it's worth getting that as a little bookmark in your browser, whatever browser you use. Now, I'm right here on Google Chrome, so all you'd have to do is just log in. You log in and you'll be able to get that Chrome extension. So I'll show you the Chrome extension. So in fact, when you sign up, you will be able to add the Chrome extension. It's just that little plugin bookmarklet type thing that I showed you up the top here. So you need to have that on there. So as you can see, I've got that here directly from Chrome. You can add it and remove it. The URL is right there, but you will need to get the account and everything through Coupert. I think that's the right way of pronouncing it. But they've got different plugins and extensions. I think they've got one for Firefox. So when you actually log in and get an account through my link, you'll find that they have the Chrome one, there's the Firefox one. I think they have one for Microsoft browsers and others. And as you can see, it's 4.7 out of 5 at 11,000 ratings here on the Chrome store, which is pretty darn good. Don't normally see that. So yeah, I highly recommend it. I use it. I'm not even really looking around for savings and things like that, but when I see it pop up there, I think, well, I may as well, I may as well get that $20 off, or, £50 off, or whatever it is, depending. So check out Coupert, use my link, get whatever bonus they are currently offering you right now. And hopefully you found this video on Coupert useful. If you have, drop the video a like, really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.